Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX. As you can see, this boat's an absolutely gorgeous white, has black accents. It does have the gray interior, which we will see more when we go inside. Going inside the boat, we have a nice lounger in the back here. Nice wraparound seating. There's storage under every seat. We equipped this boat with the sea deck, snap-in sea deck. It does come with a sink, a grill right here. It's got a refrigerator underneath that. Great sound system. You see the subwoofer there. Next we have the interior lounging area. It does come with a TV. There is extra cushion so you can make it into kind of a bigger area. We have the head with the sink. Here in the bow area, big spacious bow, lots of cup holders. Again, great sound system. You can remove some of the cushions so you can place your feet down if needed. Currently it's showing all the cushions in there. Here at the helm, got a nice captain chair with flip-up bolster. Allows two people to sit there. Got two touchscreen Simrads. Kind of hard to see in this video, but nice two touchscreens. All your push buttons. You got a fully touchscreen Fusion sound system, digital throttle, Axius. Again, everything you could ask for in this 350. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.